Hey guys, today I've got a super quick review of the Royal Kludge mouse right here. This is the M3, the Royal Kludge M3 mouse from Amazon, and here is a quick glance at it. So let's take a quick look at the build quality before we get into some quick testing. It is all plastic build, very light. So I got a scale here. It's difficult for you guys to see, but it is coming in at 46 grams, so extremely light mouse. But nothing wrong with that. A lot of people prefer a light mouse. You do have the two side buttons. The clicks are pretty loud on this mouse. I'll hold it up to my mic real quick. Pretty loud clicks. On the bottom here, you do have a DPI switch. You hold that to change it, so you can either do Bluetooth or 2.4 gigahertz here. This does also come with a very high quality braided USB-C cable. This thing is like super soft and flexible. This might be the quality of the mouse itself, is just the quality of this cable, and that does plug into the front of the mouse right there. So let's check it out. All right, guys, I've got the Royal Kludge mouse plugged in via USB-C right now. So let's go ahead and just see on the default mode. You can see my mouse over here. That is how far it's going with the standard DPI. So pretty small amount of movement to cover my full 4K monitor. But then if we hit the DPI switch here, you can see that it's changing this color right here. That is the DPI indicator. So now we're a little sped up here. You can see my mouse in the very left. Look how little I have to move all the way across both of my 4K screens, like less than an inch. So that DPI sensor is very nice to be able to just change exactly how you want your mouse to move. Now it's literally moving across my entire screen with like no movement at all. So that is insanely fast right there. But that's the good thing about it, is you can change it to exactly what you want to change it to. So check it out, an interesting mouse from Royal Kludge. I will have it linked down below and in the pinned comment. And if you're interested in other tech reviews, I'll leave my playlist up here. Thanks for watching Modern Reviews.